This is a tour of room 2112 at the Sheraton Panama Panama City Beach Golf and Spa Resort. Let's get turned on. We've got this nice tile floor. Maximum rate here is $7.99. We've got a nice eye hole. We are in building 2. This is the size of building 2. There's no elevator in this building. The elevator is in building 3 with a walkway. This is a double queen with a connecting room. I guess it used to be called the Sheraton Bay Point Resort, and they changed the name to the Panama to that. In here we have our nice little kitchenette area. Not really a kitchenette. Coffee maker and ice stuff. Fridge looks pretty good. I got some stuff in it right now. There's a shelf missing in there. Luggage storage right here. I'm not sure what that used to be. In here we got ironing board, iron, safe, and okay, that's just stuck. I've never opened that yet. Bathroom. Nice sized bathroom with a mirror light. Looks pretty good. We got notes, lotion, towels, cups down here. Extra tissues, toilet paper, hair dryer, 3 sets of towels and cloths. Shower. There's no pumps. They just give you body wash and everything like that. Average size shower. Nothing to write home about. It is nice though. The Holiday Inn I was just at was actually a bigger, different room though. Different hotel chain. We got a full-length mirror right here in a connecting room. Noise bleeds through. This is the room. And this is the room with the lights on. 2 queen beds. Dresser here. Let's start with the dresser. We got some drawers. Nice smooth. TV. Smart TV. It has Chromecast, which is really awesome. I wish that I love that. Current weather is 46 degrees out and windy. They give you a room service menu from the Tides restaurant. So that's there. Beds, you get 2 queen beds. You get spa menu. The daily resort fee includes spa access for 2 every day, which is really cool. Like saunas and lounges and steam rooms, stuff like that. Pool, whirlpool, everything. Bed, it looks like it's a little bit bigger than the actual thing, but that's fine. Got a lounge right here. Another light, and then I'm on the first floor, unfortunately, so we get a view of the pool and the dock. Unfortunately, I'm on the first floor, so I gotta keep the shades closed. But that is the view. There's the boardwalk out there. Noise does bleed through, as you can hear. Apparently the door didn't close. Okay. Oh, this is a problem. Okay. And that's all I have for you. Any questions, feel free to ask.